Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are exploring 14 serene Japanese-style tabletop miniature indoor garden ideas, specifically designed to transform your living room corners. These bite-sized landscapes bring a sense of peace and natural beauty to any small space with minimal effort. If you enjoy these calming designs, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas. The Zen Rock Garden miniature features raked white sand and carefully placed basalt stones to mimic a vast dry landscape. A tiny wooden rake rests against the side of a sleek black ceramic tray, inviting moments of mindful interaction. This minimalist approach focuses on the beauty of negative space and the contrast between light sand and dark rock. It serves as a perfect focal point for a low side table in a quiet corner. A lush moss island terrarium brings the vibrant greenery of a forest floor into a compact glass vessel. Different species of preserved and live moss create a textured tapestry of emerald and lime hues around a singular weathered stone. This low-maintenance setup requires only occasional misting to maintain its fresh, dewy appearance throughout the seasons. It is an ideal way to introduce life to a shaded corner where larger plants might struggle to thrive. The miniature Shinto shrine garden incorporates a tiny wooden torii gate, nestled among delicate ferns and smooth river pebbles. Small accents like a resin water basin or a ceramic lantern add a sense of spiritual storytelling to the arrangement. This design creates a pocket of cultural elegance that draws the eye and sparks conversation among your guests. Placing this on a floating shelf can elevate the visual interest of an often ignored room corner. A floating bonsai island utilizes a shallow turquoise bowl filled with water and a central volcanic rock acting as a planter. A miniature juniper or dwarf jade tree is meticulously pruned to cascade over the edge of the stone. The reflection of the foliage in the still water adds a layer of depth and tranquility to the display. This living sculpture embodies the Japanese art of finding harmony between the elements of wood and water. The tea house pathway garden depicts a winding trail of flat slate chips leading to a small bamboo hut. Tiny sprigs of baby's tears or clover represent lush shrubbery along the path, creating a realistic sense of scale. This whimsical miniature invites the viewer to imagine a peaceful retreat, hidden away within their own living room. It works beautifully when paired with warm, ambient lighting to highlight the intricate textures of the materials. A vertical slate waterfall garden uses stacked pieces of natural slate to create a dramatic, tiered backdrop within a square planter. Water-loving plants like miniature papyrus or hairgrass are tucked into the crevices to soften the stone edges. The vertical orientation makes it a space-saving solution that adds architectural height to a small corner table. This arrangement provides a rugged, mountainous aesthetic that feels both ancient and contemporary. The koi pond simulation bowl uses clear blue resin to mimic a deep pool inhabited by hand-painted miniature fish. Surrounding the water are smooth white pebbles and a single architectural branch of driftwood for a naturalistic finish. This maintenance-free garden offers the visual serenity of an aquarium without the need for pumps or feeding. It serves as a stunning centerpiece that captures the essence of a traditional Japanese courtyard. bamboo grove microgarden features thin stalks of lucky bamboo or horsetail reed arranged in a tight, rhythmic cluster. The base is covered in dark polished river stones to provide a clean and sophisticated foundation for the green stems. This design emphasizes vertical lines and clean symmetry, making it a perfect fit for modern minimalist interiors. It brings a refreshing burst of organic color to a neutral-toned living room corner. The Desert Zen Fusion Garden blends Japanese gravel aesthetics with hardy, small-scale succulents like echeveria or haruthaya. Instead of traditional moss, this garden uses fine gray gravel and geometric rocks to create a dry, high-contrast landscape. The sculptural shapes of the succulents act as living art pieces that require very little watering or attention. It is a durable and stylish option for bright corners that receive direct afternoon sunlight. A lantern and pagoda vista garden centers around a detailed stone lantern nestled in a bed of fine-textured Scotch moss. A small winding stream made of blue glass beads adds a sense of movement and flow to the static landscape. This traditional scene evokes the feeling of a classic Kyoto garden captured in a single tabletop tray. The inclusion of varied heights through the pagoda and low-lying ground cover creates a balanced visual hierarchy. The driftwood forest garden utilizes a gnarled piece of aged wood as the primary structure for air plants and bromeliads. The wood is set into a bed of dark soil covered with a thin layer of forest bark for an earthy, grounded feel. Because air plants don't require soil, they can be perched artistically in the hollows of the driftwood. This rustic arrangement adds a touch of wabi-sabi beauty, celebrating the elegance of natural imperfections. A miniature bridge over sand garden features a classic red or natural wood arched bridge spanning a river of raked silver sand. Small tufts of mondo grass are planted at the foot of the bridge to simulate riverside vegetation. This iconic Japanese imagery provides a sense of transition and journey within a very small footprint. It is a charming way to introduce a splash of traditional color into a monochromatic decor scheme. The succulent stone mountain garden uses a large, craggy limestone rock as the foundation for various microsucculents. The plants are tucked into the natural pockets of the stone, appearing as if they are growing on a steep cliffside. This rugged miniature landscape offers a sense of grand scale and wild nature in a compact ceramic container. It is a tough, long-lasting garden that adds a bold textural element to your living room. A seasonal cherry blossom miniature captures the ephemeral beauty of spring with a small artificial or preserved flowering branch. The base is a simple arrangement of dark pebbles and a tiny stone bench for a touch of human-centric scale. This final concept reminds us to appreciate the changing beauty of nature within our own indoor sanctuaries. We hope you enjoyed these serene ideas. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration.